Okay. I'm pretty sure, and so I was actually trying to see, but I'm pretty sure that the gentleman's name was Gauss, Carl Friedrich Gauss, German kid at 10 years old that was brilliant mathematically. So he's in elementary school, and his teacher is getting like a little flustered, frustrated, didn't know what to do with this kid when it came math time. So what she did was she gave him a little project. She said, go ahead and add the numbers from 1 to 100 together, and then, you know, basically just something to get him out of her hair. And he came back in like a couple of minutes with the answer. What he realized that there was a trick to the technique, and you didn't have to literally go 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus... Again, he looked for a way to think outside the box. And how do you do that?
Added ascending and descending pairs.
Say that again?
He added like ascending and descending, like 100, 100, and
Okay.
the same number.
Right, so he's basically taking, and recognizing that if you take a look at the first and last, and then like this all the way in, what's the sum, what are all these? 101. So they're all 101. Well, how many do you end up with?
50.
You end up with 50 101s, which is 50-50. I mean, there's 100 numbers, correct? So how many pairs are there? There's 50 pairs, and what is the value of each pair? 101. So 50 times 101 is 50-50. So now let's see if we can make sense of that. So formula-wise, so it sounded to me like I took half of what? Very good. Half of the number of terms. And then what am I going to multiply that by? First and the last. Now, would that formula work if these were all odds or if those were all even numbers? Sure. It doesn't matter. The formula still works. Let's see here, where am I? So there's your formula. S sub n equals n times a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. Any questions there? You know what? I am most definitely going to give you a break before I start talking. I'm only going to talk about a little bit of chapter 8, section 3. We don't see each other for a couple of days, right? So if you want to go ahead and get busy on your homework from section 2, I will talk the last 10 minutes. So I'm going to give you about 10 minutes to work. No, that's actually about 15 minutes to work. And then I'll just start the conversation on chapter 8, section 3. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh, Jack and David, you have your calculators? Or do you have my calculators?